Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing an overhead press with a barbell. So y'all, when we set up for these, we want our our feet directly below our hips. We're gonna squeeze our glutes, our quads, and we're gonna keep our abs nice and tight. In this position, this is a full resting position. My shoulders are protruding forward in front of me, so I have this shelf to hold the barbell. We want our thumbs wrapped around the barbell just to create as much stability as possible. And then from here, we're gonna squeeze everything super tight and press our barbell directly overhead so our biceps are by our ears and it's almost gonna feel like the bar is behind us. We're gonna bring the bar back down, move your head out of the way to come back into this front rack position. If we press the bar out in front of us, it's gonna go out in front of us. We wanna make sure that we're pressing the bar to what's feeling like it's behind us, but really is directly overhead. Keep everything squeezing super tight as we do these and build solid shoulders. So for more shoulder strengthening exercises like these, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.